we arrived, it was raining and it was full of cloud, and now it's blue sky.
Correct. Hello everyone, welcome to Theme Park Life and a Blackpool vlog.
Hi.
It's Claire's birthday on Sunday, so we're sort of here just having a nice fun weekend and a break from work sort of weekend, isn't it, Claire?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just underneath the Blackpool Tower right now. Although we're not actually going to the Blackpool Tower today.
Afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea at the Blackpool Tower, wow. Oh yeah, look at that. Do that if you want, Claire, do you want to do that?
No.
Nah.
You won't eat half of that.
So first stop is Coral Island. You can win a Mini. Claire, why don't we win you a car?
Can't drive it.
Yeah, but you'll have to learn to drive, won't you? We've just found the Skill Ball Pac-Man. So it's £1 play.
43, 52, 69, 72, 55, 71, 63.
What did you win? Oh, £2. Well done.
Wow, we have just entered the winner mini contest and we got a free Coral Island keyring. It's not bad at all, Claire, I like that. Did you enter?
I did, yeah.
Hope we win then. Don't really like Mini, so you can have it. I'll buy you out of our car. Well, Claire and I both co-own the car because Claire pays for it as well. So it is our own car. Joint. We're now doing the quick drop 500, or quick drop.
Uh-oh.
Going up. And go. I made the leaderboard. Oh man, I'm only 4 keys off this high score. I'm actually going to have one more go because I'm going to try and get the on the leaderboard. I would say the trick to this one is to count how many times you press the button. So if you see 3, go 1, 2, 3 in your head, and then you're not really even looking at them so much. You're going like 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Easy. There's a big Pikachu up there. That's probably up there, another 4. One more go. One more go. Because I wasn't concentrating.
Oh dear.
Oh. 106, I've got one more go, it's my last go. you, mate. Completed it, mate. Proud of me? Spotted a woody with a mole. What are we going for? Bo Peep. Bo Peep.
Or bunny? Oh man. Yeah, try and get bunny.
Bonus try. Oh, there. Oh no, put it. Oh no, it's thing won't bend on.
Iron it down.
Yeah. Oh, that's a hard no. $242 tickets. Right, let's see what we're going to get. Oh, Claire, we can get a dino set for 500 odd.
I told you that was a sale.
Yes, it's good. Sale. Brilliant. What else? We get a Game of Thrones statue. Oh my god, those statues look very low quality. We get a Nintendo Switch. Monopoly. Oh, Game of Thrones Monopoly. That's quite cool. I don't think we can afford anything that's in this section though. Right, we are now going into the casino. We've had some good luck on the actual arcade machines.
Yeah.
And now we're going to, we've seen some, I've just seen 33 everywhere recently, so we're going to win loads of money. And we actually had a refund from our energy provider. So yeah, let's go and clean them up. So that was pretty decent, pretty decent. That was alright, wasn't it, Claire?
Yeah, for you.
Gave her some money, so she should be loving it. Yeah, basically did roulette. 33 finally came in, so I think, oh yeah, I was up on roulette because I put £20 in and got 25 out, so just £5 up. Cool. Then they did they did also another thing. When you buy £10 worth of chips, you get 20. So it's like a special, literally a special Thursday deal. So we did that. Went on blackjack. First few hands, won. Yeah, decent. In fact, I think I got like blackjack almost straight away. Brilliant. Oh, fine. Then I did super pairs, which is basically you get paid out if your two cards are a pair. Oh, fine. 2 9 of spades. Fine. Suited pairs, 60 quid win. Fine. £5 bet, 60 quid win. Fine. Fine. So yeah, really good, really decent. We're now going to go to Madame Tussauds, I think. That was fun, wasn't it, Claire?
Yeah.
Nice time in the casino and arcade. Ooh, award-winning ice cream. Biscotti. Ooh, Vimto. Ooh, nice. Yeah, so we're just on the way to Madame Tussauds now. Iron Brew. Wow. So yeah, should be good. Claire's not been to this one. I went a couple years ago and really enjoyed it actually.
Last year, wasn't it?
Oh, is it last year?
Yeah. You went up.
Yeah, no, sorry, yeah, it was last year. I won a couple years ago. But they've got Captain Marvel now, so everything gets better, doesn't it? Oh yeah, we might do the free Piers challenge as well, so I think we might nip onto the... You want to get the fortunes done? I couldn't want that less. Awful, I do not agree with that kind of thing. So we're now going to go into Madame Tussauds. We're going to do a separate vlog on it though, so head over to the channel to watch our vlog on Madame Tussauds. You excited?
Very excited.
Correct. It is times like this when having the fuzzy hairdo on the microphone works wonders because it's a windy, we're on a windy shore, but the weather is lovely actually. You think I'm gonna like it? Fuck. Claire's got Malteser ice cream, and if you look at it, it is, I just want to say, it is pure, like, it is not, yeah, here we go, right, I'll explain why I'm interested in this. Oh. 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 Sorry. Absolutely incredible. Thank you, this company. Thank you, Scoop in Blackpool. It's actually flavoured with malt. Like, that is a malt ice cream with chocolatey bits and like a strong malty sauce. That is not what usually Malteser's products are, just chocolate. I've gone for Cola Cube, and oh, that is literally spot on of Cola Cube. Creamy, sweet Cola. I can say nothing more than it tastes exactly like Cola Cubes. Very good. This total came to £2. I think my scoops, I think she seemed to insinuate my scoop was slightly smaller because I did ask for like a half portion, and it came to £4. I think, because I think that was £2.50, so maybe this was £1.50 for like a test scoop or something. I don't know, but yeah, we're just on the seashore. We had fun in Madame Tussauds. Captain Marvel was awesome. So we're very excited about that. We're now going to eat our ice cream and then we're going to head over to Graffiti Golf, just over there. Yes, that ice cream was bloody fantastic. Thoroughly appreciate that the Malteser's flavour was actually mainly malt flavour with bits of chocolate and whatnot instead of
Donkeys on the beach.
Instead of donkeys on the beach, instead of chocolatey.
Look, you can see them. They're on a donkey line.
Oh yeah. Where are they? Yeah. Oh yeah, down there, sorry, yeah. Yeah, donkey reference. Decent. Right, we're going to go in Graffiti Golf now, a glow-in-the-dark golf experience. Blackpool's famous Graffiti Golf. Excellent. Well, they've got football over there. I wouldn't mind winning the football on the way out. I could be brown, I could be blue, I could be violet sky, I could be ladies first, I would have thought, Claire. Set the oh, the pen glow. Wow, wow, the pen glows low. Wow. Are you going to put CJ and MJ? Yeah. Love that. Here we go, it's hole one. Graffiti. Oh, so there's actually graffiti in it. Hole one. Here we go. I don't think we'll film all the holes. We'll sort of film the first few and then some interesting ones, I guess. What we got? Where is it? Oh, it's over there. Right. Gonna have to block all the music though. Yeah, let's go for it, Claire. Here we go. Ooh. Sorry, better vision. Keep an eye on the what? On the what? Oh, sorry. 2. Fair.
Ooh. We're even.
Well, that's how I roll, really. Get that information logged in there.
2.
Loving the visuals here. Claire went a little bit out of bounds on the last hole, but we allowed it. We actually both got 5 in the end, which was awful on the last hole. What's this, 4? I don't know, you keeping track? Oh, good. Well done, Claire.
Oh. Yeah, it went up my leg.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, not 2B. 3B.
3B.
Oh, nice UV lens flare there. UV lens flare. Oh, we're going upstairs now. We've got splatters. Splatters on the stairs. Mind your head. Mind your head. Mind your head. Guiding us to hole 8. Oh. Wow, 2. Jesus. Alright, film me doing this one then.
Oh no! I missed that because I was getting the bag.
You missed it?
Yeah, I was getting the bag. Oh.
4.
4?
Yeah, that's like the first one, didn't I? Shit, man. Oh god, oh god. Tell you what, doing this with holding the camera is a bit dodgy, isn't it? I'm a total lad for doing this. I'm really brave for doing that, to be honest. Oh, that's nice. That is so glow in the dark, they look like they're lit up. Very fantastic. There we go. Right, Claire won. There we go. Good, well done. Well done, Claire. Yeah, I thought that was a decent mini golf. 12 holes, so not massive, but good length for 8 quid. 8 quid each, 16 quid. Fine. Happy with that. It's an attraction, so good. We're now going to go in Funland Amusements. See if we can have some fun in here now. Now then. Right, what have we got? Oh, there's prizes. Prize shop. Here we go. I've never seen Spider-Man villain plushes, but yeah, we certainly need the Carnage. We probably need the Venom as well. We are hammering this, Claire.
That's a bit hard to get.
Yeah, I bet Carnage is more unique, and he's a more obscure character. That's mental.
Oh, calm down, Michael. It didn't cost 3 quid to make.
Don't care.
Walk away now. Michael, no.
No, I'm not getting that money.
What are you doing then?
My phone wherever it is. We've got a couple of hours to kill now before the restaurant we want to go to, Michael One's Mandarin, before they open for dinner. So we're going to try and go to the cinema. We've spotted that Annabelle Comes Home is on at like 3:50 and it's about 10:02 now, so we'll certainly be able to make it in time.
What would be the time of cinema? It's 25 to.
It's 25 to, yeah, no, the film's on at 10 to.
Yeah, but you then said it's 10 to now.
Oh, nightmare. Yeah, didn't mean that. So, we've been to the cinema. We saw Annabelle Comes Home. It was alright.
It was alright.
It was not bad, is what I would say. It was not a bad film, and that's fine, good. A few people talking, so they had to get the trademarked. Can you please? No, I was quite yeah, I was very polite. I just said, oh, can you guys just stop talking? Polite. Sort of worked. 33, wow. It's the lucky number of the day, because it is my favourite and lucky number. So, we're now going to Michael One's Mandarin. I think I mentioned it earlier. Nice Chinese restaurant, so let's go in there. Weren't able to book, so hopefully we can get a table. So this is our combination starter with spring rolls, chicken satay, sesame prawns, seaweed and ribs. And we're also trying for the first ever time soft shell crabs. Look at the shimmer. We've just arrived at our hotel. We're staying at the Village Hotel, Blackpool. We normally stay in sort of shitty little B&B type places in Blackpool, so personally this feels extremely weird. But it's really nice, really nice. About 100 and, did you say £120?
121.
For both of us?
For 2 nights, yeah.
So it's only £30 each a night? Okay, now that's alright.
We booked it like,
I thought it was way...
ages ago.
Oh really? I thought it was a lot more than that. What we got?
Have a look at this actually.
Oh, like menu vibes. Oh, that's good, yeah. Have a look at that. We got I got some water from Tesco yesterday to take with us. Refreshing. There's a nice weird mirror there. That's quite cool. Look at that, very weird mirror. Dead bumblebee. Oh, critter alert. I'll bring my own pillow. Comfort. See, I'm experiencing this for the first time. Oh my god, that's a very nice horizontal based coloured line grid feature wall in the bathroom. So shower looks good, fine. I think that all seems to be along there. Very full now from Chinese. Claire's going to take her makeup off. Makeup. Yeah, it doesn't look like aircon, don't know. Claire's going to take her makeup off and I'm going to just watch a few videos, I think. And then we're going to go down. It's a £5 supplement to use the pool for both of us. So that covers both of us and that's for both nights. So I think that's quite good value, really. They've got what, sauna, steam room as well. So yeah, we're going to just freshen up and then we're going to go down there, aren't we? Have a little swim. So we just got back from the pool with a very nice experience. We had a good little swim and whatnot. And yeah, gonna freshen up and then get into bed and we'll probably watch TV and videos and whatnot. So the sun has risen on another day. We're going to Blackpool Pleasure Beach today. We're going to do a separate vlog for that, so you can watch that on the channel soon. If not already, I don't know if it's already up, probably won't be. But yeah, so yesterday one of the things we got at the arcade, we got a few tickets at the arcade. So we got this surprise balls. I think it's like a rubber ducky. So I'm going to open into that now with one hand somehow. This looks hard enough to get into with two hands, to be honest. There we go. Right. Don't really know who. Oh, look at that! We got the police ducky. This is Bunny and Ducky. Actually, wasn't even intentional, to be honest. But yeah, you did see we won Bunny from Toy Story 4 yesterday. We've ironed down his tooth, so it stays down now. Oh, that's a hard no. And then we've got, yeah, that can go in the bath. I don't think Claire will allow that to go in the bath, actually. But it just said bath as well. Embarrassing, I think. Yeah, so cool. So yeah, we're going to go shortly, I think. We've had a Starbucks. Oh, that's where my cup was. We had a Starbucks. I had like a chocolate twist and I had a white chocolate mocha frappuccino light. I think the white chocolate frappuccino is something like between 400 and 500 calories, but the light version is apparently only 133. That was for the venti, actually. I had a smaller one than that in the end. I had a tool. So don't know how many calories that was, but probably not very much. It was very nice, actually. I'm almost sort of sceptical that it even was light because it tasted nice. Also, health update, slight concern with my tooth. I've got a tooth where the gum is basically swollen around two sides of it. It is a problem tooth in as much as I do get food stuck there sometimes. And we had like that Chinese last night and I think I got like pork stuck there, so I wonder if maybe there's a bit of animal flesh that's found its way down. That's weird and gross, but I don't know, something's happened. I dearly need to find some floss. We don't know if we're going to spend all day at the Pleasure Beach yet, because what we might do is leave just like a little bit early and see if we can just hit a few more of the shops down Blackpool town, because then we can go to the bakery that we've had recommended to us, Tin of Delights I think it's called, or Delight Tin. It's probably definitely not Delight Tin, it's probably definitely Tin of Delights, and because apparently they've got really nice treats, and it would be nice to find an arcade so that we can win Ducky as well as Bunny. But we'll see. Like if we're having a nice day at the Pleasure Beach, obviously we can stay there longer. So let's get on with the day. So we've now arrived at the Pleasure Beach. So swap over to our Pleasure Beach vlog if you want to watch that. We will see you shortly. So we just finished our little perusal around the Pleasure Beach. Bit of a shorter one today. Look at that car. That is bloody incredible. That is absolutely awesome. Wow. That is absolutely sick.
Yeah, the Pleasure Beach was busy, wasn't it?
Yeah, Pleasure Beach was quite busy. It's the busiest I've seen it, I think. I don't really do theme.
Getting towards them.
Yeah, school holidays.
Yeah.
We did, when we booked on the website, it did say it was going to be busy because they had a lot of coaches coming in. which I really appreciate the park for doing that actually. No, it was a good day though, really good day. Just we're leaving a little bit early. We thought we'd take advantage of some nice shops, do a bit of shopping. We didn't really properly look around the shops yesterday, so we're going to do that. Probably grab some lunch, and we were recommended a little bakery in Blackpool as well actually, so we're going to go to that bakery. Oh yeah, let's go over there, yeah.
You allowed over?
Yeah, of course not. Of course you are, rather. Oh, there's a board there saying Icon construction site, no entry. There's a weird little alcove thing. Yeah, and there's a load of old stuff here, look at that. I wonder what that's from. It looks from maybe the Big Dipper? Or something like that. There's a big chap there. Not sure what some of this stuff is from. That looks like a dodgem. Back of a dodgem. It's a waltzer thing. I wonder what it's all doing here. I'm not sure.
Honeydew would love it.
Yeah, he's probably seen it, to be fair.
Probably did it on the thingy.
What? Oh, the steeplechase. Small steeplechase horses.
Oh, they look so funny.
Something's wrapped up there, whatever that is. Could be anything. Buckets of slime. There's a Dora boat. Must have. Valhalla boat. Where's that? Oh yeah, shit. Fucking hell, that's pretty cool, isn't it? Well, that is really cool. Mental. Don't know. Oh, hang on. For sale. Used ride cars and props. It's all for sale.
Oh wow.
You can buy it. All inquiries to retail at B. I mean, I might send them an email just see how much the Valhalla boat is.
In the garden.
Yeah, I'll send them an email saying, oh yeah, hi. Yeah, hi. I'm actually I'm a serious collector. Just wondering how much your Valhalla boat is.
Creepy. Why on earth would you want one?
Oh, you wouldn't want a creepy hot. I guess they look kind of weird, don't they? My dick is this big. No. Weird. Yeah, wow, so you can have any of it. Oh, hi, yeah, you've got a pallet in there? Can I have a pallet?
I wonder what's under that.
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? There's a bench there, you get a bench. So it's obviously some sort of ride vehicle. It looks like... Yeah, it just looks like maybe a Nickelodeon flyer. Wooden...
Can you make out what that might be?
Yeah, just a wooden ride vehicle, so it would be either Big Dipper, Nickelodeon Street, or Streak rather. Wow, mental. Little for sale area. Do you want to walk in the alcove?
No, I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
I'll walk down there, I'm not scared. Watch this, I'm not scared. So yeah, I'm walking down here now. Just wondering if I could recognise the, what's this? Transport. Touch a piece of history. Oh wow. Whoa. Yeah, this is nuts. My arm's not quite long enough to get over the top of this thing here, I assume. No, can't get over the top of that. I don't know. I recognise one of them. Yeah, they do, don't they? They look sort of Viking vibes. I'm going to touch a bit of history as well, even though it looks gross. There we go. Wow, mental. Oh look, big one's bloody going now. Missed out on that, it was closed all morning due to high winds. Oh well, shit happens.
Oh well, we've been on it.
Been on it, yeah. Yeah, if we were clamouring to go on it, we wouldn't have left so early, so... Yeah, we've had a nice day, nice morning. To be perfectly honest, it's nice to see it busy, because I do think it's a brilliant park. I actually really rate that Wallace and Gromit ride. I think it's really decent, so yeah, I just hope all this success means more investment. Icon's been a fantastic success, and it's really good. Yeah, I hope they build another steel roller coaster. Actually, I'd like to see something along the same lines.
Yeah, but those wooden ones are just too much.
I personally am not a massive wooden roller coaster fan.
Same.
So prefer the steel stuff. We're now having lunch. We're having Burger King. On the old sugar-free vibes now, aren't we? And small burger as well. This is actually only 747 calories. We're probably going to go to a tapas restaurant for dinner. Would you say that's accurate?
Who knows?
Opens at 5, so that's in about 3 hours time, yeah. And I suppose the good thing is, because we're having this, tapas, have as much as you want. So, yeah, nibble. So we're going to go to that little bakery place, which I will record, and yeah, see what else we've got going on. We might go to the dungeon. We might. Just had a nice conversation with one of the locals actually. We nearly sort of did that bump into each other thing just as I was going to the toilet, so I said, oh sorry. He said, yeah, you will be. So I paused, I stopped.
You should have said, what? Excuse me?
Well, yeah, I should have said, why don't you fuck off, you fucking No, obviously I would never react that way, but yeah, didn't appreciate it. I did stop and I was like, and then he stopped and like, just as I walked off, he sort of like was looking back at me. And I was like, mate, I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, fine. These things happen, all a bit of fun, innit? Comedy club, right. Do some shopping. Cake Tin Delights, these guys are on Instagram, and this smells absolutely incredible. Claire and I have just bought a Lotus Biscoff Blondie, a salted caramel brownie, and a double-decker brownie. Yeah, they look immense. So, good. Yeah, that place is recommended by What Lottie Eats on Instagram, so yeah, there is Cake Tin Delights. About a 5-minute detour for us really. So I think we're going to walk back to the rough sort of dungeon area, decide whether we want to do the dungeons.
I don't want to do the dungeon.
You don't want to do the dungeon?
Do you want to do the dungeon?
Sort of, like...
Why do you want to do the dungeon?
Just be nice something to do, innit?
I gave you a pound, didn't I?
Right. Round 2. If you watched our Blackpool Pleasure Beach vlog, you would have seen us try to win this. We failed with about £10 worth of pounds. Oh, just won 16 quid on a roulette on a fruit machine, didn't we?
Jammy this.
Yeah, lucky weekend, yeah. This trip. Right, you'll just see us playing, but I guess you'll see us reacting.
45, 39, 52, 19, 28, 52, 1.
I was one number away from winning. That number was 33.
Really?
Yeah, I mean we are going to the casino right now, to be honest. Like,
You're going to the casino?
yeah, I think we'd be stupid not to. Yeah, that was fun. I did make one mistake. The thing that I find frustrating with these machines, Claire, is that you're going along, blah blah blah, and then randomly, just randomly, there'll be a pause for your number. Yeah. It's like, oh, you're going too well here. You might actually win here. Oh, let's stop you from winning. It's like, I don't mind a game where it's fair, but these are obviously not fair, and it doesn't feel fair. Yeah, even in the last 24 hours we've seen 33 everywhere. We were driving past the bingo place and the only number we heard called was 33. It's happening again, Claire. No, definitely gonna lose. So we did win. We did win a little bit. We won a £5. So yeah, quite early on, 33 came in. We had about 75p on it. So we got 20. We got 25. So we paid 20. Came out with 25 chips. So we're £5 up. Happy with that. Right. Don't know what the time is now, but 4:05. We've got 1 hour until the tapas restaurant opens. So yeah, we're just going to mill around for a bit, really. Pirates Quest Ghostly Adventure Ride. Right, we've got our tokens. So let's go up. Come on. Ghost train. Wow. There we go. Oh wow, look at this. Nice little effect. Whoa!
Look out below!
Could do with a bit of audio, a bit more ghostly audio, but oh, that's obviously not the end. Yeah, I was going to say. Ah, that's cool. Thought that was the end there. I was like, bloody hell. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know if they're using smell pods in here, but it smells. Oh wow, wind machine, this is cool. Oh, and heaters. Wind machine and heaters. Oh. Ghostly. Oh, what's going on there? Oh. Oh yeah, that's messed up. Oh! Oh, very nice lighting effect there. Hope this hasn't been blurry the whole way around. Oh! Yeah, that was alright. Matey boy on the thing there. Yeah, I didn't think that was too bad for £2. Not too bad for £2. We are now going to do the Pirate Flyer, which is £3 for 2 riders. I think it's alright, so here we go, Pirate Flyer. Oh my fucking god, this is terrifying. This is absolutely terrifying. Fuck me. Like, yeah, no, I remember why I didn't like doing this last time now actually. But it just feels dodgy.
We're not that high.
Overhang in the side. Oh yeah, but that's still, we're locked in, so we're dying. If this falls off, and it definitely will, we will die. Oh my god. Right, oh my fucking god. Oh my god, this is absolutely terrifying. Oh my god. I just don't like it. It just feels too dodgy. Oh my god. Literally can't bear it. Fine. No, it is nice to see all the scenery. Oh god. Just, I don't like this tilting, and that we all know I'm a larger gentleman. Oh my god. You like this, do you? Oh, I hate it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay, fine. I'll feel a lot better when we're not suspended above everything. But no, I do love looking down and seeing everything. Oh, let's do the Derby Racer in a minute. That'll be fun. Oh god, absolutely fine. Yeah, right. Ooh. Yeah, I didn't really see the rainbow light. Yeah. Oh wow. No, I don't think so. These are just for, the guns are just for play. Ooh. Yeah, it does. Smells like the restaurant below, doesn't it? I like pirate themed rides actually. They're good. Not enough of them, arguably. Not enough good ones, anyway. It'd be nice to get on Pirates of Batavia at Europa Park. Claire's never been to Europa Park. Are we going to go, Claire? Yeah, I think we will. Right, hand firmly back on the back on land. Oh my god. Oh, that scared Claire that time. Just a festival of lights, isn't it? Are you even human if you don't like Blackpool, really? Piano keys, I wonder if anyone's topped my high score from yesterday.
Oh, it says 125.
120, someone did do it then? Well, 119 I think, or 117, something like that. Oh, nearly back. Thank Christ for that. Dry land. It is bloody windy out here. Always like looking at the Blackpool Tower. Right, we think we're going to head for Central Pier. So that was Coral Island. Yeah, let's head for Central Pier. Oh, you whacked your leg? Did you?
Far too big for it.
Please stay safe. Oh wow, that's mental. Central Pier, here we go. Up on the pier, Central Pier. You look out. You can obviously see the Pleasure Beach all the way in the distance there. Wow. We're going to try the ice ball effects now. I quite like these ball games. Yeah, it's really windy out here at the end of the pier. Not sure you'll even be able to hear much. This is really going to test the anti-wind filter. Wow, the sun is beating down. There's the sun beating down on the shore. Pleasure Beach all the way in the distance, eh? Oh yeah, wind farm, wow. Wind farm all the way over there. This must be where people scatter ashes, right? Oh, you can get a plaque done, wow. Some quite recent as well. Yeah, you don't want to fall in there really, ideally. Not recommended. And then to this side, obviously you've got the tower. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. So Claire and I have been having a debate. I think that the Blackpool Tower is really impressive and cool, and she's just like meh.
Oh, I like it now because I can see it's got a heart on it.
Oh, okay, you like the heart. So I'm guessing that'll be for illuminations, right? Perhaps. So this is Salad, the apparently the number one rated Spanish restaurant in Lancashire. It's very highly rated on TripAdvisor, and it's a tapas restaurant. We've just walked from the Central Pier, so we're kind of hot and kind of extremely tired and knackered, sort of. I'm going to check how far we've walked in a minute, but yeah, we're going to have some delicious food now, so good.
So what are we doing? I'm just going to get, so we're going to share, right?
Yeah, get a mix of everything.
Huh?
Sorry guys, the lights are in the same frequency as the camera, so there's a bit of... Oh, there we go, it's fixed itself. Calamari and chorizo. No lemon on my bit, So slow cooked beef. Feel the heat coming off of that. And meatballs.
I forgot patatas bravas.
And slow cooked beef. Sorry?
Patatas bravas.
Patatas bravas. And our last dish, the patatas bravas. Damn guys, that was really disappointing. Man, we walked quite far to get to that as well. And we could have just had anything else nice. Like, it must have been an off day because they're really highly rated on TripAdvisor. but that was objectively average. Like, ah, man, it started off badly. We didn't even get given menus, so we had to ask for them. So that was like, someone was like, oh, someone will be along shortly to take your order, and we were like, bitch, we ain't got a menu yet. We didn't say that. We politely said, oh yeah, could we have a menu? Then we were given some complimentary bread. That's good. We were given complimentary bread. However, first and foremost, the menu says that it's fresh bread. It was definitely like Tesco or something, wasn't it? Yeah. There's no way it was fresh bread.
Crusty loaf.
Yeah.
Tesco.
The dips were nice. However,
The stodgy, crusty bread.
Yeah.
You literally can put it in your hand and go and turn it into a ball.
yeah, correct. However, they gave us the end stale bit. Always cut off the stale bit, guys. That's rule 1. So that was, yeah, that was a disappointing start. Then, the other dishes themselves, chorizo was warm, barely even hot. The meatballs were really nice. That was the best thing. The meatballs were really nice. The slow cooked beef, the potatoes were very hard. They were cooked, but they were very hard. The patatas bravas were not barely crispy at all. They might as well have been boiled potato. Like, genuinely mine are better, fact. And just the calamari average. It was all just really, really, really average. All distinctly average. So, like I say, like guys, I trust TripAdvisor, and it's got 5 stars on TripAdvisor. It must have just been an off evening, but regardless, that was our experience. I'm not being finicky, am I, Claire?
No, it was just alright.
Yeah, it was fine.
Fine.
It was like 3 stars.
Yeah.
Like, and if I'm paying for food, like in a restaurant, I'm paying, that was 32 quid. No, obviously I want more than, I want at least 4 stars. I'm not even upset with 4 stars. If I have a 4-star meal, fine. But a 3-star meal, a high 3-star meal, don't expect that. Anyway, there we go. Oh, that's some fun graffiti, isn't it? Bad Santa. LOL. So guys, I've just eaten some of the Biscoff Blondie that we got from Cake Tin Delights, and it is really, really good. I do find Lotus Biscoff a bit of a buzz ingredient. So personally, for me, basically I just wanted to get a Blondie from them because I love Blondies. But personally for me, generally speaking, Biscoff is way too overpowering to put in this type of product because it is the only thing you can taste. So then really this just becomes a texture game. But I did have a nibble of just like the Blondie bit on its own, and it is really, really nice. Yeah, really, really good indeed. Looking forward to trying the brownies that we got from there as well. Yeah, really, really nice. And yeah, even in these things where the Biscoff does overpower it, Biscoff on itself is delicious. So it's not a huge problem, you know. I just think places overdo it on the Biscoff. Let your product speak for itself. That's basically what I'm saying. But regardless, this is an excellent product, I should say. So yeah, bloody nice. That's a little bit too far zoomed, isn't it? Nope, too far. That's the other way. Oh, my eyes are a little bloodshot. That's probably from the chlorine. Yeah, Claire and I went to the swimming pool. Slash the, wow, look at my eye. Or eyes, but this eye is more in the sun. It's not sun, it's a lamp. Claire and I went to the swimming pool, and we had the sauna as well. I think it's fair to say that Claire and I are both sort of knackered, tired. We walked 9 miles today, so we actually burned like 1,200 calories just for activity. So yeah, I don't think we'll really be over calories today either, to be honest. Despite eating delicious treats like that Blondie and whatnot. Well, I just had a few bites, I'm not finishing it. Yeah, went in the steam room, went in sauna, and we went in the swimming pool, and it was all really nice and really fun. Kind of relaxing. Yeah, we're back into just the hotel room now. Our hotel room is really hot, isn't it, Claire?
Yeah.
It's sort of mental, like, don't really know why, like the heat outside. I would say the heat outside doesn't justify this heat, innit?
No, it's not hot at all outside.
Yeah.
It's boiling hot in this room.
Boiling it out.
Have you seen this Cadbury's choc?
We don't
shake?
really know why. Choc shake? What's that? New Cadbury choc shake. Oh, is that just the powder?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all seen that. Probably bollocks, isn't it? So yeah.
Has anyone got a phone so we can check that we've got to get out or what?
On hearing the alarm, leave the building immediately by the... What would you do in this situation, guys? The alarm has stopped. I mean, I'm fucking I'm in a one shoe situation. It's 3:19, by the way. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, what would you do, guys, if the alarm was going off for probably what, a minute? I don't think it was very long. 3:19 AM. Brilliant. Nah, good. Probably was sleeping. So incredibly shocking.
Oh my god, I have never done it so much in my life.
Yeah, like, just fuck me, man. Yeah, I think it would be, if you had to leave, it would be staying on.
Surely they would also have somebody like down the corridors.
Correct. You would
Make
at
sure everybody's
least,
out.
you would at least hope so. Yeah, just annoying because it's sort of like, oh, what's happening? To be woken up in the middle of the night with that, it's not ideal. But what would you leave, guys? Would you leave or go back to bed? You got the key card, yeah? Lift and stairs. Well, the lift and stairs that way, isn't it? Oh, you're supposed to go that way, I don't know.
It says lift and stairs.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh my god! It's weird that they don't have, why they've not got a fire marshal going up and down the corridors making sure everybody's out.
I don't know, mate.
Don't they have that at your work? We have that at our work. They have to make sure everybody's out on the floor.
Oh yeah, there is fire marshals, yeah. So we've only got one floor though, isn't it?
If they want everybody out, they would be having someone knocking on all the doors saying they need to get out.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it is, the fire people are here. And yeah. We're sort of standing in the foyer though, so just pants, isn't it?
Fire in our room.
Good. Fine. The ordeal that began at basically, what, 3:19 the first one went off? It's only 40 minutes of ordealness, to be fair. Yeah, only 40 minutes of bants. Alright, so probably go to bed now. Morning burp. Yeah, sort of tired. We went to bed at 10 PM. And it's now about 8:45. Now 8:45 is quite late for me to get up, really. It's quite unusual. I blame the approximate hour in the middle when there were obviously shenanigans. So, don't know what they were. Probably someone smoking or some bollocks, wasn't it? Yeah, load of bollocks. I'm gonna get up now and then we're gonna leave. I'm telling you guys, if you want to try some rancid ass toothpaste, right, get this Pearl Mint Colgate, right. If you like Sambuca, this tastes just like aniseed. That is wit. I don't know how they got away with calling that Pearl Mint. That is pure aniseed. There we are, we're just getting ready to leave. Just starting to pack things up, so do the old what for, shall we? Couple of milks. Get a couple of milks, take them home. Couple of milks in there. PG Tips. Yeah, good expensive brand. Get them in there. Not like Tussauds brand, is it? Got some sachets of sugar. Get them in there. You know how this goes by now, guys. We'll grab the spoons. Get the mugs. Don't really need the kettle.
Need the iron.
Need the iron. Where's the iron? Yeah, I'll grab that. Grab the iron. And you can't really have the iron without the ironing board, to be fair. So we'll get that in there. Okay, I think we're ready. Bye, we liked your feature walls. It was good in that and whatnot. Yeah, decent hotel, not bad. Yeah, oh actually yeah, it was very hot in the room, which is a bit weird. And we now arrived home in Aylesbury. Very warm here as well, so it is just sort of hot in the UK at the moment, I guess. Thank you very much for joining us, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. We had a lovely time in Blackpool. And yeah, let us know what you thought in the comments below, really. So let's put Bunny without Chick, without Ducky, with all the other Disney people.
Should he have his label on or not?
Probably not. None of the others have got their label on, right?
No.
Yeah, take it off.